Hey guys, what's up? So this is going to be a very interesting tutorial because this is the most requested tutorial and you guys have waited so long for this. So finally wait is over. These are some name arts designs I created by using this app. You can copy the background, fonts and stickers and apply to your picture. Just do not copy my name. So let's start. We need an app for this type of special editing, so turn on mobile data of your mobile and open Play Store app. Now click on search bar and start typing the name of app. The name of this app is focus.n.filter dash name art. This app created by a Royal Bug Studio. There are so many similar apps search results, so choose right one. Also I have given the app link in description. Now just click on install. Downloading started. By the way guys, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Need your support guys, so I can come with new ideas, tricks of photo editing, so make sure you have liked. Now next, just open the app. App is loading. Now just click on accept. Click on allow. So app will access your photos, so you can add your pictures in app. Click on close. Now just click on create. Now there are 4 tools. First one text, second one add image, third one background and last sticker. First we are going to add background, so select third tool background. Now there are so many backgrounds, you can choose any background you likes. If you want to unlock lock background, just click on that background and watch an ad or share this app on WhatsApp, so that background will unlock for you permanently. Select one background and click on close. So now we are going to add a name, so click on text tool, click on your text goes here. Now just type your name. Now place your name at the center of your background. You can increase or decrease size of text by that plus symbol. If you want to highlight your text, just click on highlight. Now click on shadow section. If you want shadow and stroke to your text, just on it. If you do not want, just leave it. Now let's add the font. You can select any font you like. This is my favorite one. If you want to rotate your name, just click on align section and you can rotate it like this. And if you want to move your name perfectly at the center, you can use it move section. And here we go. Click on close. Now we are going to add stickers. Now select sticker tool. There are so many stickers, you can choose any sticker you like. I must suggest you should try crown sticker, bird sticker, butterfly sticker, heart stickers and many more, but these are my favorite. Place butterfly sticker neatly. If you want to increase size of butterfly, just expand that arrow. Last and important step, must add stroke sticker below the name. It gives signature vibes. And to save picture, just click on that arrow and save the picture. Thanks for watching.